Wayne's World, party time, excellent! Party! Alright, welcome to Wayne's World. Here's our host, Wayne Campbell.
A party! Party! Woo! All right, it is Friday. It's 10:30. It's time to party. I'm your excellent host, Wayne Campbell. And with me, as always, is Garth.
Party on, Wayne.
Party on, Garth. All right, without further ado, let's jump into our first segment, Viewer Mail.
Viewer mail, party time, excellent! Woo!
All right, we get letters, and from time to time we respond. All right, and this one is from Kurt, right here in Aurora. And Kurt writes, Dear Wayne, what does Garth think about while Wayne is talking? Gee, Kurt, I really don't know. I wish I was Wayne. I wish I was Wayne. I wish I wasn't such a tool.
Very funny, nerd.
Ouch. Okay. Extreme close-up. Whoa! Whoa!
Excellent! Get close up.
Woo! All right. Okay, let's welcome our first guest of the evening. You all know him. He is the driver's ed teacher at Aurora High. Please welcome Mr. Hempel. Wayne's World, party time, excellent! Woo! Welcome to Wayne's World, Mr. Hempel.
Thanks, Wayne.
You know Garth, of course.
Hi, Mr. Hempfield.
Yes, hello, Garth. How's the parallel parking coming along?
Good.
Well, right to go right, left to go left.
Excellent.
Okay, all right. Well, I just gotta say, Mr. Hempel, having you here on the show, it's almost like having a king on the show. So, welcome, Your Highness.
Pardon me?
Sorry, I said, welcome, Your Highness. Okay, sorry. Mr. Hempel, in your opinion, what is the most important thing that young drivers can know just as they're learning to drive?
Well, they should know that driving is a privilege, not a right. A car is really just a means to get from A to B, not a sort of phallic symbol. It's power under control. In the wrong hands, a car is a lethal weapon, capable of horrendous damage. In many ways, a car is a pulverizing death monster with a glass and steel persona. A vicious, unforgiving beast whose lust for blood is matched only by its love of carnage. A killing machine worthy of its nickname, the Widowmaker.
A bonus. All right. Anything else?
Just this. Don't believe in turning signals. Just assume that all the other drivers on the road are lying.
Okay. Well, it's nice to know that you're operating the second brake. All right. So a couple of days ago, Garth and I got busted for bringing a can of soda pop into the driver's ed classroom, even though there's like a big humongoid sign saying you're not supposed to, right? So to make it up to Mr. Hempel and to ensure that he doesn't kill us in our sleep, we're going to do a public service announcement about drinking and driving. Okay, you stay here, Mr. Hempel. Public service announcement.
Party time. Excellent. Woo!
Okay, this is Drinking and Driving by Wayne and Garth. Okay. Oh, wow. Super great party, man. I'm going to go home now.
No, man, you're drunk. I'm calling a cab.
I'm not drunk. I don't even need a cab. Cabs are for sissies.
Shut up. You're drunk. Shut up. Just shut up.
No, you shut up. Ka-chunk. All right, let's see what this baby can do. Oh no, I'm gonna hit that railway. Oh God.
He's dying! Everybody clear! Everybody clear! He's dying. He's dead. He's dead.
Because of
Drinking
and
and
driving.
driving.
Okay, Mr. Hempel, what'd you think?
It's a shame.
A shame.
Yes, it's a shame that the drunk driver didn't suffer a little before he died.
Well, thank you, Your Highness. Okay, that's all the time we have for this week. Until then, party on, Garth.
Party on,